Forest animal English vocab for beginners. Rabbit. It's a rabbit. Deer. It's a deer. Bear. It's a bear. Skunk. It's a skunk. It's an owl. It's an owl. Raccoon. It's a raccoon. Fox. It's a fox. Wolf. It's a wolf. Squirrel. It's a squirrel. Hedgehog. It's a hedgehog. Quiz time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What is this? It's an owl. What is this? It's a deer. What is this? It's a fox. What is this? It's a bear. What is this? It's a rabbit. What is this? It's a hedgehog. What is this? It's a wolf. What is this? It's a raccoon. What is this? It's a skunk. What is this? It's a squirrel.